Attention construction workers. What if I told you that you would replace your $73,000 salary with QQQI? I'm going to show you how. We're going to look at the entry, median, and peak level salaries, and we're also going to use QQQI's 14% yield in order to get our figures. So let's start with the salaries. The entry level salary for a construction worker is $39,000 a year. The median salary for a construction worker is $48,000 a year. And the peak salary for a construction worker is $73,000 a year. Let's get to the QQQI figures. To replace the entry level salary, we will have to take $39,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $279,000 worth of QQQI. All right, so to replace our median salary, we will have to take $48,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $342,000 worth of QQQI. Last but not least, guys, peak salary. So to replace the peak salary, we will have to take $73,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $522,000 worth of QQQI. That wraps up the numbers. Now, you're probably watching this video and you have a sigh of relief. And yes, it is a sigh of relief because we have been told for decades that we need millions of dollars to retire. But in today's time, that is not the case. But also, guys, at the same time, yes, even though these figures are a lot lower than expected, these are still large numbers and they take a while to reach. Unfortunately, most people do not reach these figures, even though they have worked for 40 years. But the ones that do, they invest consistently, reinvest their dividend income, and invest throughout all types of market conditions. Just think about it. If you had enough passive income to pay all of your bills, to cover all of your bills, what does that mean? No trading your time for money, no long hours, no heavy equipment operations, no risking of injury, no wear and tear in your joints. Last but not least, no working in the heat. Before we wrap up this video, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for information purposes, so please do your own due diligence. And guys, this video is scenario based. All right, guys, that wraps up everything in this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you know when my next videos will pop up. All right, see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.